Thank you, sir, for your precious words of wisdom. It is pertinent to mention the Directorate of AYUSH, a campaign.
And ladies and gentlemen, wishing you all a very happy 8th International Yoga Day. As you know, ladies and gentlemen, this year we are also celebrating 75 years of our independence. तो आइए इस साल जब हम अपनी आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव मना रहे हैं, इस अमृत रूपी योग से मानवता की ओर बढ़े और वैदिक काल की ही तरह एक बार फिर भारत के ही द्वार से शुरू हो मानवता के लिए योग क्रांति. And this Yoga Kranti, the Yoga for Humanity, ladies and gentlemen, is starting from this very majestic state of Karnataka under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister. So at the very onset, may I request you to please rise at your positions for the state anthem as we extend our love and respect for our Karnataka, Namma Karnataka, with the state anthem, Nadagite.
ಭೂದೇವಿಯ ಮಕುಟದ ನವಮಣಿಯೇ ಗಂಧದ ಚಂದದ ಹೊನ್ನಿನ ಗಣಿಯೇ ರಾಘವ ಮಧುಸೂದನರವತರಿಸಿದ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾದೆ ಜನನಿಯ ಜೋಗುಳ ವೇದದ ಘೋಷ ಜನನಿಗೆ ಜೀವವು ನಿನ್ನ ವೇಷ ಹಸುರಿನ ಗಿರಿಗಳ ಸಾಲೆ ಕೊರಳಿನ ಮಾಲೆ ಕಪಿಲ ಪತಂಜಲ ಗೌತಮ ಜಿನನುತ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ ಶಂಕರ ರಮನುಜ ವಿದ್ಯಾರಣ್ಯ ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ಮಧ್ವರ ದಿವ್ಯಾರಣ್ಯ ರನ್ನ ಷಡಕ್ಷರಿ ಪೊನ್ನ ಕಂಪಲ ಕುಮಿಪತಿ ಜನ್ನ
जय भारत, जय Karnataka. Please take your seats. Ladies and gentlemen, under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister, this year the Yoga Day celebrations are unique, for you're going to be seeing many new initiatives happening for the first time. And these, ladies and gentlemen, have been coordinated by our Honorable AYUSH Minister, Shri Sarbananda Sonowal ji, who's also the Minister for Ports, Shipping and Waterways. So to welcome everyone in this iconic Yoga Day celebrations, I request and invite Shri Sarbananda Sonowal ji, our Honorable Minister, for his welcome remarks.
Namaskar. Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Governor of Karnataka, Shri Tharsan Gehlot ji, Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka, Basavaras S. Bumai ji, Honorable Minister of Cooperation and Mysuru District in charge, S.T. Samasekhar ji, Honorable Minister of Health, Government of Karnataka, Sudhakar Rao ji, Honorable Dr. Pramada Devi Wadiar ji, Rasmata Mysuru, Honorable Yudhibir Krishna Datta Samaraja Wadiar, Maharaja Mysuru, Pratap Sinha ji, Honorable MP, B. Srinivas Prasad ji, Honorable MP, local MLAs, revered Yug Gurus, senior officers of Ministry of AYUSH, Central Ministries, State Government, eminent dignitaries, expert of Yoga, allied science and media person, and my dear friends. It is my privilege to welcome you all on the International Day of Yoga 2022, amidst the breathtaking beauty of Mysuru. After 2 tumultuous years of the pandemic, we are now celebrating IDY in physical mood. The state of Karnataka is gifted by God with rich biodiversity and has a rich history of arts, culture and literature. It has won Gyanpidya, country's highest literary award, for maximum number of times. A historic celebration of the ancient Indian cultural heritage of Yoga began on 13 March 2022 with the 100 Days Countdown campaign involving 100 organizations across 100 cities till today. With the collaboration of state and the union governments, ministries, events at various iconic sites across India have been observed. Now, this grand succession of celebration is culminating in Mysuru, the beautiful heritage city of Karnataka. We all realize that this is due to Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's exemplary and continued efforts. The International Day of Yoga and the science of yoga has received recognition around the globe. The effort culminating in the celebration of the International Day of Yoga carry the vision of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's vision to bring world peace and harmony by focusing on the health and well-being of individual, communities, nations, and the world as a whole. It is his personal engagement and consistent efforts that the world is experiencing an increasing spirit of yoga and its benefit. Under his able leadership, the nation is changing the world dynamics, and yoga has played a key role in that. Yoga has brought the world together, reshaping the global values, and is bringing different healthcare system closer. He has written to the head of the state of different countries and also head of villages in India to join together in spreading the message of yoga. This aligns with the year's theme, Yoga for Humanity, and the Ministry of AYUSH has designed unique program to include various sections of the society to celebrate health and heterogeneity. We are involving the whole world through Guardian Ring program and whole government through celebration at 75 iconic places. There will be disseminations of yoga practices and research through exhibition in Dasara ground today and tomorrow, and also using IT assets such as Namaste Yoga, Yoga Portal, wide-break application for its wider reach. We all remember that due to very concerted and proactive effort of the Government of India, yoga has been included in the UNESCO's representative list of the intangible cultural heritage of humanity. Continuing the forward march, various Government of India and the Ministry of AYUSH have taken various initiatives to ensure advancement in the health and well-being of people through yoga, such as conducting National Yoga Olympiad in schools and declaring Yogasana as a competitive sport. Also, additions of Yogasana in the list of sports discipline for equipment of sportsperson to any group, C post and ministries and department of Government of India has been recently done on 17 June 2022. I further wholeheartedly thank the people of Karnataka, the Government of Karnataka, all central government and state government ministries, defense forces, other uniformed service organizations, revered yoga gurus, celebrities and spokespersons, eminent dignitaries and associations associated with us who made this movement towards wellness through yoga a grand success. I also extend my gratitude to all the countries worldwide for their enthusiasm and support. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the people of Mysuru for making this a huge success. Jai Hind!
Thank you, Honorable Minister, sir. And now, ladies and gentlemen, requesting the gracious host Chief Minister, the Janapriya Mukhyamantri of Karnataka, Shri Baswaraja Bommai ji, for his address.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಇಂದು ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಯೋಗ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯಂದು ಮೈಸೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿರುವಂಥ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿ ಶೋಭೆಯನ್ನು ತಂದಿರುವಂಥ ಆದರಣೀಯ ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿ ಶ್ರೀ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿಜಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಗಂತವತ್ತ ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರಾದಂಥ ಥಾವರ್ಚಂದ್ ಗೆಹ್ಲೋಟ್ ಜಿ, ಸಚಿವ ಸಂಪುಟದ ಸಹೋದ್ಯೋಗಿಗಳೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಮೈಸೂರಿನ ಮಹಾರಾಣಿಯವರೇ, ಯುವರಾಜರೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆರೆದಿರುವಂಥ ಅಪಾರ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೆರೆದಿರುವಂಥ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತಾ, ಯೋಗ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಆಗಲು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿಜಿಯವರ ಪಾತ್ರ ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಈ ಬಾರಿ ಮೈಸೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಅವರು ಇಡೀ ಮೈಸೂರನ್ನು ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಒಂದು ನಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈಸೂರನ್ನು ತಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಮೈಸೂರಿನ ಪರವಾಗಿ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಜನತೆಯ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿಜಿಯವರಿಗೆ ಅಪಾರವಾದಂಥ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು, ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಚ್ಛಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಯೋಗ ಮನಸ್ಸು ದೇಹ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಜಗತ್ತನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯೋಗದಿಂದ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಚರಿತ್ರೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಈ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಚರಿತ್ರೆ ಇದೆ, ಚಾರಿತ್ರ್ಯ ಬೇಕು. ಆ ಚರಿತ್ರೆ ಕಟ್ಟುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ, ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಯೋಗ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಫಾರ್ ಹ್ಯುಮ್ಯಾನಿಟಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಲಿ ಎಂದು ಹಾರೈಸಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मुख्यमंत्री जी. Ladies and gentlemen, Prime Minister Modi ji himself is a committed yoga sadhak. He epitomizes the rewards of yoga. He epitomizes humanity. कोरोना काल में कोविड टीकाकरण के अभियान को आम जनता तक पहुंचाना और दूसरे देशों को मदद का हाथ बढ़ाना मानवता का प्रतीक है. स्वच्छ भारत और शौचालय निर्माण के अभियान से तनमन जीवन को पावन करने का नाम ही योग है. मन की बात के द्वारा लोगों से जुड़ना और लोगों की बेहतरी के लिए जनमानस से सुझाव लेना और फिर एक पिता के समान उनको आदर और पहचान देना मानवता की पहचान है. आपकी कार्यशैली, आपकी विचारधारा, आपके सभी जन कल्याण कार्यक्रमों में, आपके कण कण में योग का प्रताप झलकता है. तो योग को स्वयं जीने वाले, आसक्ति रहित होकर संभाव से सभी कर्म